Hello, YouTubers. I am going to sing a song now that I've wanted to sing for a while, and I haven't because I haven't found the right backing track for it. So I'm on the school run now, so I thought what better time to do it than today. So this song is a Dublin song, and I'm from Dublin. I'm from the Liberties, actually, which is right in the heart of Dublin. And I've got such great memories of when I was a kid, when my dad used to bring me all around the Liberties, because he's from the Liberties as well, up around the back of Guinness's factory and Oliver Bond, which is where he's from. My mum's family are from near Stephen's Green, so we're all townies, which I used to be a bit embarrassed about when I was younger. And now it's like my proudest thing is that I'm from Dublin in the city centre in Ireland. But just being Irish is good enough, isn't it? So I'm going to sing this song, and it's a typically Dublin song, so I hope you like it. Ring a rosy, as the light declines, I remember Dublin city in the rare old times. Raised on songs and stories, heroes of renown, the passing tales and glories that once was Dublin town. The hallowed halls and houses, the haunting children's rhymes, that once was Dublin city in the rare old times. Ring a rosy, as the light declines, I remember Dublin city in the rare old times. My name it is Sean Dempsey, as Dublin as can be, born hard and late in Pimlico, in a house that ceased to be. By trade I was a cooper, lost out to redundancy, like my house that fell to progress, my trade a memory. And I courted Peggy Dignan, as pretty as you please, a rogue and child of Mary, from the rebel liberties. I lost her to a student chap, with skin as black as coal. When he took her off to Birmingham, he took away my soul. Ring a rosy, as the light declines, I remember Dublin city in the rare old times. The years have made me bitter, the gargle dimmed me brain, 'cause Dublin keeps on changing and nothing stays the same. The pillar and the met have gone, the royal since burnt down, and the great unyielding concrete makes a city of my town. Ring a rosy, as the light declines, I remember Dublin city in the rare old times. Farewell, sweet Anna Liffey, I can no longer stay and watch the glass cages spring up along the quay. My mind's too full of memories, too old to hear new chimes of what was once my Dublin in the rain. old times. Ring a ring a rosy, as the light declines, I remember Dublin city in the red